The TrustOnX TOX5 Lite comes in a compact, securely packed box containing the media player, infrared remote, HDMI cable, power adapter, and user manual. The complete accessory set makes the device ready to connect and use immediately. My first impression was of a practical, well-organized package that includes everything required for a quick and straightforward setup. The TOX5 Lite features a compact matte black plastic enclosure with rounded corners and extensive ventilation. Its fanless design operates silently, while the front status display and practical selection of HDMI, Ethernet, USB, TF card, and USB-C connections provide excellent everyday usability. Despite its affordable construction, the player feels neatly assembled and discreet enough to blend naturally into almost any home entertainment setup. Taking the TOX5 Lite out of the box, I find a practical selection of connections arranged around the enclosure. One side houses two full-size USB 2.0 ports, along with a TF card slot for storage expansion. On the rear are the RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port, an HDMI output for connecting the box to a television, and the 5-volt DC power input. The front is completed by a configurable digital LED display and a small status indicator. TOX5 Lite is a compact Android 14 media player well-suited to IPTV, streaming, and 4K local playback. Its Amlogic S905X5M processor, gigabit Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB ports, and TF card slot provides solid everyday flexibility. Its compact design, silent operation, and balanced hardware make it a dependable and affordable solution for everyday entertainment and light commercial display applications. The TOX5 Lite runs Android 14 with a familiar, easy-to-navigate interface and access to Google Play applications. Navigation feels straightforward, with quick access to installed apps, settings, and multimedia content. Overall performance is well-suited to everyday streaming, IPTV, and local media playback. In my real-world Wi-Fi speed test, the TOX5 Lite achieved an impressive 311 megabits per second download speed and 273 megabits per second upload speed, a fast and stable wireless connection, providing more than enough bandwidth for 4K streaming, IPTV, or network-based media playback. Watching online video through the HBO Max and Prime Video apps was a smooth and enjoyable experience on the TOX5 Lite. Both applications loaded quickly, their interfaces remained responsive while browsing large content libraries, and films and series started without lengthy delays. During my testing, playback remained fluid and stable, with clear image reproduction, synchronized audio, and no noticeable buffering, demonstrating that the media player is well-suited to relaxed everyday streaming. Streaming live television through the Focus Plus and Digi Online apps was equally reliable on the TOX5 Lite. Both applications opened quickly, channel lists and program sections remained responsive, and switching between live TV stations required only short loading times. During my testing, broadcast played smoothly, with clear video, synchronized audio, and no noticeable buffering, making the device a practical choice for everyday online television viewing. Watching 4K content on YouTube was a consistently smooth and visually impressive experience on the TOX5 Lite. Videos loaded quickly and played without noticeable buffering, frame drops, or audio sync problems, while detailed textures, vivid colors, and fluid motion looked excellent on the large television. This confirmed that the Amlogic S905X5M platform handles everyday 4K YouTube streaming reliably. Playing beach buggy racing in Hungry Shark with a Homatics Bluetooth gamepad was a surprisingly enjoyable experience on the TOX5 Lite. The controller paired quickly, remained connected, and delivered responsive controls without distracting input delay. Both games loaded correctly and ran smoothly, with colorful graphics and stable gameplay on the large television screen. Although the device is not intended for demanding Android gaming, it performs very well with casual and controller-compatible titles.